Sleep apnea greatly affects children's lives, and the earlier we can diagnose and get these kids treated, the better. But if we notice children that are snoring is not normal in a child. Okay, they're not sleeping well, they're performing poorly in school. Okay, these children should really bring that to the attention of their pediatricians. Often these kids are diagnosed with having ADHD, they're put on medications, and all that is really unnecessary if we can just get them to breathe better. If they can breathe better, they'll sleep better, they'll learn better, they'll perform better, their behavior will be better.